Passive Income with AI 2026 Complete Beginner Guide. What if artificial intelligence could help you build income streams that continue working long after you've finished the work? What if AI could help you create content faster, reach more people, automate repetitive tasks, and potentially generate income around the clock? That's exactly what we're talking about in today's video. In this Passive Income with AI guide, I'm going to show you how beginners are using artificial intelligence to create content, generate traffic, build audiences, and create income-producing assets online. We'll cover realistic expectations, some of the best passive income models available right now, how AI speeds everything up, and why this opportunity is attracting so much attention in 2026. Before we get started, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications because I post new videos every week covering AI, affiliate marketing, faceless content, and making money online. And if you'd like access to my #1 recommended resource, check the first pinned comment below. Inside you'll find Daily Income Method, which includes training, tools, and access to over 100,000 viral video clips that you can use for content creation. And if you'd like to create faceless videos faster, I also have a syllabi discount linked there as well. Now let's jump in. First, let's clear up one of the biggest misconceptions about passive income. Many people hear the phrase passive income and imagine money magically appearing without doing any work. That's not reality. Most passive income requires effort up front. You create something, build something, publish something, or set something up. Then over time, that asset continues producing results. Think about a YouTube video. You create it once, but it can generate views for months or even years. Think about a blog article. You publish it once, but it can attract visitors long into the future. Think about an email sequence. You write it once, but it can continue working for years. That's the real power of passive income, and AI makes creating those assets much easier. One of the best passive income models available today is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is simple. You recommend products or services. People click your affiliate link. Some of them purchase. You earn a commission. You don't create products. You don't handle customer support. You don't process payments. Your role is connecting people with solutions, and AI can help dramatically. Need content ideas? AI can help. Need scripts? AI can help. Need blog posts? AI can help. Need video outlines? AI can help. Need email content? AI can help. Need social media content? AI can help. That's why AI affiliate marketing continues growing, and some affiliate opportunities can pay commissions of up to $200 per sale. That's one reason I recommend checking out Daily Income Method in the pinned comment below. Now let's talk about another powerful passive income model, faceless content creation. Many people don't want to show their face online. The good news is that you don't have to. Faceless content is one of the fastest growing trends right now. You can create YouTube videos, YouTube Shorts, TikTok videos, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, educational videos, tutorials, slideshows, screen recordings, and much more. Using AI, you can generate scripts, create visuals, produce voiceovers, and speed up the entire workflow. The content you create becomes a digital asset, and every digital asset creates another opportunity to generate traffic. Now let's talk about YouTube. YouTube remains one of the best passive income opportunities online. Why? Because content lives longer. A YouTube video can continue generating traffic long after it's published. Every video becomes another opportunity to attract viewers, another opportunity to gain subscribers, another opportunity to generate commissions, another opportunity to earn ad revenue. And AI helps make the content creation process significantly faster. Now let's discuss blogging. Many people think blogging is dead. It's not. Google processes billions of searches. People search for reviews, comparisons, tutorials, product recommendations, and solutions every single day. AI can help you brainstorm topics, create outlines, and accelerate content production. The goal isn't creating low-quality content. The goal is creating helpful content faster. When that content ranks, it can generate traffic for years, and that traffic can be monetized. Now let's talk about digital products. Digital products are another powerful passive income model. Examples include templates, prompt packs, guides, checklists, courses, workbooks, communities, resources, and educational materials. The beauty of digital products is that you create them once and sell them repeatedly. AI can help generate ideas, improve copy, brainstorm offers, and streamline production. Now let's discuss automation. This is where AI becomes incredibly valuable. Automation doesn't mean doing nothing. Automation means reducing repetitive tasks. Instead of manually performing the same tasks over and over, you use systems. AI can help automate content planning, research, brainstorming, script creation, email creation, content repurposing, and many other activities. This allows you to spend more time focusing on strategy. Now let's talk about content repurposing. This is one of the most overlooked opportunities online. Imagine creating one video. That video becomes a YouTube video, a YouTube short, a TikTok, an Instagram reel, a Facebook reel, an email, a blog article, multiple social posts. That's leverage. And leverage is a major component of passive income. One effort, multiple outputs. Now let's discuss consistency, because this is where many people fail. Not because the strategy doesn't work, not because AI doesn't work, not because passive income isn't possible. They fail because they quit. They expect instant results. They expect overnight success. And when that doesn't happen, they stop. The reality is that passive income often takes time. Content compounds, skills improve, traffic grows, trust develops, and eventually results appear. That's why consistency is so important. Every piece of content is another digital asset. Every upload is another opportunity. Every article is another chance to generate traffic. Now let's talk about mistakes. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is chasing too many opportunities. One week it's affiliate marketing, the next week it's crypto, then drop shipping, then freelancing, then YouTube, then blogging. They never stay focused long enough to see results. Choose one model, learn it, improve, and stay consistent. Another mistake is relying entirely on AI. AI is a tool, not a replacement for thinking. Use AI to accelerate, not to eliminate effort. Always add value. Always improve the output. Always focus on helping people. Now let's revisit daily income method. If you're looking for a beginner-friendly system that combines affiliate marketing, AI, and content creation, check the first pinned comment below. You'll get access to training, tools, and over 100,000 viral clips that can help accelerate your content creation process. And don't forget to check out the Syllabi discount if you're interested in creating faceless videos faster. Before we wrap up, here's a simple passive income with AI action plan. Choose a niche. Find quality affiliate products. Create valuable content. Use AI to speed up production. Build an audience. Repurpose content. Collect email subscribers. And stay consistent. Remember, passive income isn't about doing nothing. It's about creating assets that continue working long after the work is done. That's why AI is so powerful. It helps you create more assets in less time. And over time, those assets can compound. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. What's your biggest passive income goal for 2026? I'd love to hear it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.